Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So let me introduce my name. My name is Rasif Abdullah. I am the student of Civil Engineering Program, Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. Did you know that Eiffel Tower is the world's most famous monument? Now, my purpose today to explain you more about this building. To start with, I will give you overview of the Eiffel Tower. So then I will explain the vision of construction and repainting every 7 years. After that, I will show you the magic of light. And then finally, I will tell you the Eiffel Tower which was made using iron. And then I will be happy to answer your questions after my presentation. So let's begin the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the world's most famous monument, attracting close to 7 million tourists per year. For 41 years, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest building globally. It was designed by the renowned artist by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 World Trade Fair. Up to that, it is a global cultural icon. Now I will move on to construction of the Eiffel Tower. It was for the 180 sorry 1889 Exposition Universelle, the date that marked the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. That a great competition was launched in 1889. The first digging war started on the 26th January 1887. On the 31st March, and then the tower had been finished in the record time 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days, and was established as a veritable technical feat. So the Eiffel Tower was made using iron. When it is made, the Eiffel Tower is often thought to be made of steel, but in fact, and the material used to make the Eiffel Tower is made of iron. The iron frame that forms the structure of the tower comes from Pompeii forge. Meanwhile, the iron plates and beams used are the result of the puddling process and then assembled at the Eiffel factory in Levelus Parade using rivets. The pieces of iron installed to build the Eiffel Tower. This fabrication system allowed to build an Eiffel Tower in a short time, namely 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. And then we have looked at the magic of light. The tower also represents the magic of light. Like all towers, it allows us to see and to be seen with a spectacular accent, a unique panoramic view of Paris, and glittering beacon in the skies of the capital. The tower also represents the magic of light. It is lighting its sparkling lights and its beacon shine and inspire dreams every evening. So you guys, you can see representation the magic of light in every evening if you go to Paris. Next, the Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years. Under Gustave Eiffel's strict instruction, the Eiffel Tower must be repainted with a thick layer of protective paint every 7 years in order to protect the iron from the corrosive effects of the weather. Under Gustave Eiffel's strict instruction, the Eiffel Tower must be repainted. Sorry, the Parisian government has stuck to this condition over the past century, which is one is the reasons why it is still uppers in such present conditions today. Over the years, the tower has been painted various different colors, from the original reddish brown set to brand yellow in 1968, especially mixed paint set called Eiffel Tower Brown was adopted by the French, which is still in use today. So let me turn now to the tower at the center of event. So click so the year 200 2000 Pro Techniques show the Blue Tower to make France presently of the European Union and multicolored tower for its 100 for 120th birthday. Like all towers, it allows you to see and to be seen with a spectacular accents and a unique panoramic view of Paris. Yeah, like this, guys. So the last, it is a fun facts. The Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower have the secret apartment, and then the second the Eiffel Tower should be turned down, and then there is a secret bunker under the Eiffel Tower. And then the fourth, the Eiffel Tower was anti-yellow. And then the last, the Eiffel Tower doubles as a scientific laboratory. So I will describe you about this one. The last, our Eiffel Tower have some fact. The first, the secret apartment. When engineering Gustave Eiffel was designing the tower, he created a private apartment at the top of the tower. And then the second, at the top of his facing France industry at the world's fire, there will be plans to tear it down at a later date. But the intention to tear it down after 20 years of the standing failed because the Eiffel installed radio antennas and wireless telegraph transmitters on the tower. Then, a second bunker under the tower's southern pillar, reportedly connected to the École Militaire, a building complex in Paris that hosts various military training facilities via a long tunnel. Do you know the Eiffel Tower was on yellow? Actually, the Eiffel Tower was yellow to follow the trend and then finally changed to a color brown. The Eiffel Tower is known to have a meteorology laboratory on the third floor. This place is used for studying physics, aerodynamics, and building wind tunnel. And this is the references in our group took in making presentation. In conclusion, the conclusion Eiffel Tower. So the first, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest building globally. And then the second, construction 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. And was established as a veritable technical feat. Then for the third, the Eiffel Tower is made in iron. For the fourth, the magic of light. And then for the last, the Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years. Thank you very much for your attention, guys. So, are there any questions? If nothing, thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.